Before you all panic, watch this video till the end, understand the current situation, and I'll try to break this down in bits and pieces in as straightforward of a way as I possibly can. And it is like 7 a.m. in Dubai, so it's still relatively dark outside. And if you look at crypto and you look at your portfolio, probably you shouldn't, because this is what you're gonna see, written and directed by. This is it, done, c'est la vie. But okay, jokes aside, because I know it's not funny. If you look at the price action of what just happened, it's just monumental. Ethereum went all the way down to 2100. I mean, seriously? It didn't care about any levels, nothing. It just cascaded all the way down. And now it kind of bounced. I mean, we've seen this kind of bounce before. Actually, my internet here is horrific. But anyway, this has been one of, honestly, just between me and you, this is one of the worst trading experiences that I've ever had in my entire life. Because here, this is the local bottom, like you could call it the local bear market bottom, because this was this summer, August. Also, I think it was also, oh yeah, that's right. So it was also on a Monday. Look at how beautiful. So this also happened, this cascading liquidation also happened on a Sunday, Monday. And then we had consolidation, and then finally a move up. So before I tell you what I think is going to happen next, let me give you a full-on disclosure. I mean, I've given all these disclosures to Kralow Trading Club. Oh, everybody's already aware of what is happening, and they're always the first. And I don't know how soon this video is going to come out, because my editors are still asleep. I don't edit my own videos anymore, so we'll have to wait. Therefore, if you're not part of Kralow Trading Club, where we've kept you updated the entire night, this is the value of it. We've also lost money there. It's fine. I mean, we're not saying that we made any money in this kind of an event, which is a black swan event. So anyway, if you want to join the club, link in the description of this video, so we'll always keep you guys posted. Full disclosure though, before I give you my expectations, about a couple of hours ago, at slightly higher prices, I've closed all of my trades on Bybit, so no trades left. And remember, I started this account with 1 million, so I have 900,000 left. And at some point, this account went to 2 million just to crash down. And to be honest, I didn't want to take any more risks. So at about, Ethereum was like 2,700. I closed all. And then thankfully, because it went down to 2,100, this would have been, I don't know, 500K instead of 900K. So therefore, my challenge from 1 million to 10 million gets postponed yet again. I'm not giving up yet, but that's why I'm said, watch this video till the end. I'm going to give you all the details. But yes, I've lost so far. It took a year of trading, and on this account, I've lost 100K. So it is what it is. But again, guys, please, full disclosure before I talk about the details, why this happened and what comes next. I did not sell any of my spot. I still hold my shit ton of Bitcoin, my shit ton of Ethereum, even Solana. I've sold the small spot holding I had in this account. I also sold the futures trades, but that's about it. So I just limited the risk on something that is leveraged. So everything that is non-leveraged, I did not sell, and I will not sell. Even if Bitcoin goes down to 50K, I'll still keep it, because I think that this run is not over. Full disclosure to you dummies who like to comment something without watching the video. So, but anyway, and also full disclosure, there is a good likelihood that this could be the point of the reversal. So this could be the point where we just reverse. Because honestly, if you look at the chart, everything, like, we didn't even think that there was anybody to be kicked out. Look at the amount of volume in this candle. Like this liquidation event here, and then this liquidation event here. It's insane. It's just as much or even more, because it still has about 40 minutes to run. So again, this could be the point of a reversal, and theoretically, just theoretically, we could have this kind of V-shaped recovery and retesting these levels and finally going higher. Yes, it's possible. So that's why I didn't sell any of my spot. I'm going to be holding it till my eyes bleed. Here, my eyes almost bled. I was like, wow, what the hell is this? Because nobody ever could have expected something like this, like such a total liquidation event. If you look at even Bitcoin dominance, I mean, have you ever, tell me in the comments, have you ever seen a candle like this all the way to 65% in Bitcoin dominance? This is absolutely unbelievable. And the problem is that also if you look at S&P 500, for example, there is also a huge gap to the downside in S&P 500. Again, the internet is garbage, but you can clearly see the gap right here. So there is a big gap. And the reason why that is and now I'm going to be getting into what I personally think about the entire thing. As you can see, I'm trading, or I was trading over on Bybit. And if you still want to trade, quick shill, you can use the link in the description of this video, and at least you can save yourself some money with my link. You can actually save some money on your trading fees, up to 42% discount on trading fees, and up to $30,000 in initial deposit bonuses. So use it to your advantage. At least you'll save some money in these kinds of situations. I don't know, or you'll make more money, because if you got lucky, you were one of those 1% of people who were shorting the market, which made no sense to short. But anyway, most importantly, this happened, and I think, again, getting to the point of what I think is going to happen next, in my opinion, this has been one of the biggest manipulations ever seen by the market ever. And this happened to change the hands of the coins before the real bull actually happens. For me, again, I'll tell you what I'm going to be looking for. So I think that this was just a very smart play that probably maybe even the US government was involved in. Because Donald Trump came out, and instead of announcing strategic Bitcoin reserve, purchasing Bitcoin for the US strategic reserve, instead of introducing the staking into Ethereum ETF, instead of saying whatever, instead he wants to Panama Canal, he's renaming Gulf of Mexico into the Gulf of America, and he's slapping incredible tariffs on all the countries, which long-term is great. It is good, but short-term, not exactly. So for this reason alone, I think that it's worth noting that I think it came in a very comfortable moment on a Friday. And then Saturday, Sunday, big market players, big institutionals, etc., they simply manipulated the price. Certainly, we can still go lower from here if the US opens lower and then S&P 500 crashes until the US finally turns on the printer. Trump actually could use this as a reason to pump the markets, actually to turn on the printer. The only question is, how soon would they do it in response to the issues and the slowing of the economy because of the trade war that he just got us into? This is going to be a question for probably another video. But overall, I think it was crypto-wise and Ethereum-wise, this has been one of the biggest manipulations ever seen. And if you didn't get shaken out of this, is probably the only way how is if your leverage was very small like mine, so you actually saved yourself at least something, like I saved myself my $1 million, 900,000, or you were just in spot. And that's it. If you're in spot, you're doing fine and you'll do all right. So that's just my take on this. Now, going forward, for example, here, a guy posted, which makes quite a good sense. In my opinion, Trump is artificially pumping the dollar to lock in foreign trade deals at a higher USD value. Once the trades are signed, he'll rug them by dumping USD to clear way for quantitative easing and rate cuts. So this is what the market is going to expect now, I guess, for what Trump is going to do next. Very possible that today, actually, in response to this in crypto, he will finally throw in something good. Maybe, I don't know, they will this week introduce staking into Ethereum ETF, and just the accumulation from institutionals will just skyrocket, and so will the price of Ethereum, and everybody got liquidated. So there is nobody to hold the price back, and we'll just go to Valhalla from here. Is it possible? Yes. Do I really want to risk it with futures right now? No, I don't really care. I'd rather just be sitting on my spot for the time being. If there is a formation, I'll keep you guys posted. And if I take any other long trades, I'll keep you guys posted, futures trades wise. So subscribe, hit that notification bell. Do I think that this is the over of this bull run? I don't believe so. Is this horrific and something that nobody expected? Absolutely yes. Do I think that this is probably one of the biggest manipulations? Absolutely yes. Can we? Right now, it's just in no man's land. We can go down, we can go up. There is no formation, there is no structure. The market logic, the market psychology has completely broken. It doesn't mean it's the end of the day. That's why in these kinds of scenarios, you really want to be sitting on your spot with no stupid leverage. But that's about it. So in my opinion, it's not over. Just put together everything you have left. Be smart with it. Be reasonable with it. Don't do anything stupid, and try to persevere through this, because institutionals are at play, and a lot of people, and now I'm remembering, a lot of people have said that, institutionals are a bad thing for the market because this is the shit they do. And I'm pretty sure that they're behind it because they just want cheaper Ethereum. They want cheaper Bitcoin before they pump it to Valhalla. And people who lost their, actually spent and sold their bags, I slept for 3 hours, kind of fucking talk. So for the people who really sold all of their spot just now, these are the people who are going to be buying much higher. So if I were you, not financial advice, I would not sell any of your spot just like I didn't. But futures, be careful with. Right, that's about it, guys. Stay smart and stay strong.